It's becoming increasingly common for people to get blood tests with some sort of imbalance. One of the most common imbalances is high triglyceride levels. Do you know anyone with this issue? Besides a balanced diet, to lower your triglyceride levels, you need to include physical activities in your life. Did you know that? A poor diet will always bring consequences, especially as we get older. With our busy lives, we end up choosing fatty foods full of salt and sugar and lacking in nutrients. Think about your last meals. Were they nutritious? One of the consequences of a high-fat diet is that it increases the triglycerides in our bodies. Although this fat can be used as an energy source, it causes heart problems, strokes, diabetes, and other diseases if it builds up. Luckily, we can lower our triglyceride levels and keep them controlled. Did you know that? Let's see what can help. Reduce your sugar consumption. The main cause for high triglyceride levels in the blood is the exaggerated consumption of sugar. Did you know that any sugar that isn't used by the cells is turned into triglycerides? Avoid adding refined sugar in your foods whenever possible. Also, stay away from sugary foods like chocolate, soda, industrialized foods, and sweet treats. Eat fiber. Fiber increases satiety and so helps us eat less and better. It reduces or slows down fat absorption and is also helpful in lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Add bran, flaxseed flour, chia seeds, and passion fruit peel flour to your diet. Avoid alcohol consumption. Alcoholic beverages are rich in calories and stimulate the production of triglycerides. Beer, for example, is high in carbs and when consumed in excess, increases triglycerides and cholesterol levels. Add more vegetables and green leaves to your menu. Vegetables are rich in fiber, and since we know that fiber helps lower triglyceride levels, increase your consumption of all green leaves, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, eggplant, tomato, and cabbage. Lower your carb ingestion. Like sugar, any other carbs are turned into triglycerides if not used by our cells. A low-carb diet lowers triglyceride levels in the blood, especially if you avoid simple carbs found in bread, rice, and pasta. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Add good fats to your diet. Good fats control cholesterol and lower triglycerides thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. They improve blood circulation and prevent heart issues, stroke, and thrombosis. Choose foods rich in healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, almonds, chia seeds, flaxseed, sunflower seeds, tuna, sardine, salmon, and avocado. Avoid processed foods like hot dogs, sausages, ham, hamburgers, and frozen foods. Exercise for 30 minutes every day. As we said at the beginning of this video, a balanced diet and exercising regularly lower and regulate triglyceride levels. This happens because physical activities improve heart health and increase HDL cholesterol levels. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, or jumping are the most recommended in this case and should be practiced daily for at least 30 minutes. So, did you like these tips? Try it and share your experience with us. Be conscious about what you are eating. Although we usually don't pay attention to what we eat, either by lack of time or interest, taking care of our eating has a huge impact on our lives. Also, whenever possible, do a checkup and control your results together with your doctor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.